Hi everyone, my name is Marci. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about this look that I did. I'm going to be posting all the details below and let me know how you like it. Subscribe, like, and enjoy. Alright, so let's get started. So right now I already prepped my eyes with the P Louise. I am just going over with the brown eyeshadow. So I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. I'm using the colors Silk, Butter, and Pooter. I'm going to be using, I kind of skipped through it because it's kind of tedious just blending different colors. I'm gradually going to go into the more warmer tones, but I'll show you guys then. I just want to do a PSA. I'm still learning editing. I'm very new to this, so just give me a little break. Trying my best to do what I can without any help, and thank you guys for watching. So I'm pretty much blending. So I'm going back and forth in circular motions and I'm blending everything in. And then now I started adding the buns and jacks all over. I want to get it deep, but it's still like a warm brown. I don't want any ash in there. Now I'm going to the other eye, going back and forth in circular motions. Like I call them windshield wipers. And I'm so into it. So now I feel like I got the desired brown that I like. And I'm going to start adding the crease color, which is a P Louise shade 1. And it's one of the lighter colors. It's one of my favorite primers and to do this type of cut crease type of look. And I'm basically putting it all over my lid. I also fast forward through this because it's just a little tedious. Let me know if you guys want me to do another video where I'm actually showing you guys with detail this type of eye, which is called a cut crease. So I finished one eye and now I'm going to go to the next eye and do the cut crease. Now that I'm happy with my desired look, I'm going to go and add powder to set it so it doesn't crease. And I'm going to change the tone a little bit to more like a soft brownish color. And I'm using my powder from Jouer to set it because it's a nice pretty brownish goldish color. It's in medium. And I'm grabbing my small brush and just blending it right in the crease, making sure everything looks even. Now I'm adding my diamonds, my little rhinestones. I'm using eyelash glue. This took me a little while, so I did skip over it. I did it one by one. I ordered these blings. It's amazing, from Amazon. and it comes with a pack of like 15 of them. I think I got them for like $10, and they have all sizes. They're great. Now I'm going in with my mascara, my favorite one by Nars. It's called Climax. Now we're getting into lashes. I'm using the Baddie B Lashes, my favorite lashes ever, in IG. They're called #Instagram. And I am actually going to show you guys a trick that I learned recently. So I'm getting the black. I have a double-sided glue. It's a duo. You can find it at Ulta or Macy's. I'm making with a black line. I'm making a small line. I already put a white line on the lash with the clear, and now I'm just putting on top of it. That way you don't have to worry about mess ups. It's already there. It's giving you a guide, and boom, there you are. Lashes. Easy trick. Now we're getting into skin. I'm using my primer Tatcha. Now I'm using an orange base. You can find it anywhere, any orange base. I'm using this one. I like to spread it all over anywhere I want it to look bright. It's a primer and a color base. And then now I'm going in with my Shape Tape in medium. And I like to put it all over my face. This is like my prep before my foundation. This is a trick that I do so I can make sure my makeup lasts all day. When I'm gonna be out or when I'm doing TV, this is what I do. I know it looks a little crazy, but you just have to make sure you blend it in really well. You don't need a lot. I put a lot because I like it to have a full coverage. And basically the trick here is just blending with the beauty blender. Now I'm gonna get into contour. I like to do 2 lines from the temples down to the middle of your eye. You don't want to go farther than that because it'll look crazy, like your face is sagging. I like to do my neck, make sure you scope that neck. No double chins here, not today. I just put a little bit on my neck. I don't really need a lot. I'm doing some nose contour. Maybe I can give you guys another tutorial another time on this. It's one of my favorite things to do. Now we're blending everything together. I love Real Techniques. That's like my go-to brushes. They're inexpensive and they work so well. I have a pair for my home, for my work, just because look how beautiful my skin is looking already. You have to gently blend. Get in there, the neck. Then we're gonna blend the nose and the lips. Alright guys, so now we're using the Tarte Shape Tape concealer in light medium, and I like to put it exactly how you see it. below the contour, on the nose, on the chin, around the lip, around the nose, on the forehead a little bit. Those are the areas you want to stand out. I like to start with the bottom because I like the concealer to set in a little bit. And I always like to use a brush first and then go over it with my beauty blender. I also like to go over with my beauty blender just to make sure everything is nice and blended. Take your time. And now you just blend, blend, blend. Blend everything in, make sure everything is blending in. It looks good. If you see a line, a harsh line anywhere, just make sure you get rid of it. Just with your beauty blender, keep on pushing everything in. That is a trick. A little bit in between the cheeks. Those are the areas that I really want to pop. And I'm using the Beauty Blender concealer in light medium, and I'm just gently blending it in. You guys see how it's just brightening up that area. Setting under my eyes. I want to make sure it does not crease. I'm using my airbrush powder in medium from Charlotte Tilbury, and then I'm just gonna go over all over my face with my beauty blender just to set everything up. Now for my ultimate favorite is the baking. This is a powder, a beauty blender from Morphe. I love it because it's sharp, so it helps me to apply the powder, the baking powder. I like to do it right there in the cheeks. I love to do it under the eye because it really brightens under the eye. I'm all about brightening the eye. On the nose, on the chin, and the forehead. You're gently dabbing everything in. Yes, baking, honey, baking. I just got this. It's Samoa by Nars. It's their new matte bronzers, and I love this color. It's warm, it's beautiful, makes you look golden like you're in the beach. I like to put it in my cheekbones, a little tip on the nose, on the forehead, under the chin, you know, make sure everything is sculpted and blended. A little bit on the lips. Softly with the Smashbox brush that I'm using. Dust it all off, back and forth, gently. You don't want to press too hard. You don't want to mess up your hard work that you just did. Blend it all in. Now we're adding blush. That was a quick blush. I'm gonna add more in a little bit. Now we're doing my lip liner. This is in Nude by LA Girl. It's my favorite lip liner right now. One of my favorite lipsticks now with lots of colors. And on top of it, I'm adding the KKW in the shade number 1. I am going to add a gloss after this, but I was so excited that I was done with this look, so I just was like, I'm good. And that's the look, guys. Now, oh, I added some oil. A little mixture I made myself. I can show you guys. And I put it on my chest. And now we're done. Ready to take on the world. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.